Hi, welcome to Anita's Kitchen. For seafood lovers, here is an easy, simple, delicious prawn masala packed with flavors. I have taken 250 grams of prawn, deveined and cleaned, and then added some salt and let this prawn sit for 10 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Add the prawns and toss well in the oil. Frying the prawns in the coconut oil gives a distinct flavor to this recipe. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and saute the prawns for about 4 to 5 minutes till it is cooked well, turns pink and curls. Don't overcook the prawns, otherwise they will get rubbery. Now remove the cooked prawns in a bowl, leaving the juices in the pan itself. Now add 1 sprig of curry leaves in the same pan and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this mixture for 1 minute. The aroma of the fried curry leaves and ginger garlic paste in the coconut oil feels divine. Now add a paste which is made of 1 large onion and saute well on a medium flame till the raw smell of the onion completely goes for about 4 minutes. Now add the tomato puree made out of 2 medium-sized tomatoes and mix well for a minute. When it is done, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, required amount of salt, and mix well till the raw smell of the spice powders goes completely for about 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful not to burn the mixture. Keep stirring. At this stage, add 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice and mix well and let this mixture cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the paste starts leaving oil on its edges. Basically, this dish is little bit tangy, hot, spicy, but you can adjust your spiciness and tanginess as per your taste. And now it's a perfect time to add our cooked prawns and mix it well and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame uncovered until the mixture gets dry and starts leaving oil on its edges. As the prawns are cooked already, don't overcook the prawns, otherwise it will become so hard. If you want the consistency to be dry, you can switch off the flame at this stage itself. If you want a semi-dry masala, you can proceed further. So I am adding half cup of water and cover the pan with the lid and let this mixture boil for about 2 to 3 minutes until the oil separates on a slow flame. That's it. Our super easy and quick flavorful prawn masala is ready to serve. This goes very well with plain rice, flavored rice and any kinds of food varieties. Please try this recipe at your home, and if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to Anita's Kitchen for more interesting recipes. Please share this recipe with your friends. Life is all about caring and sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.